Please take out your textbook, look at page 167. So today we continue this part. How do you determine the conjecture about the point in the region that satisfies a system of linear inequality? So previous part that you learned is only one straight line and one linear inequality. You need to identify the region, right? So this part, you will have a few inequality, then you need to find the region which satisfied by both inequality. So how we're going to do this? So look at this. Okay, the point that satisfies all the linear inequality in the system can be determined by identifying the appropriate region. So look at this diagram. You have four regions. Okay, look at inequality first. You have 1, 2 inequality, and then because of these two inequality, we can divide become four region A, region B, region C, region D. So first method, how we're going to determine which region satisfy both inequality. So we can do it by using this table. So you can write down region, and then you simply choose one of the point or two of the point inside the region to substitute to do testing later on. And then if you have two inequality, right? So you have inequality, two column like this, and then this one is true answer or false answer. If you have three inequality, you need to add in two more columns. So inequality number 3, and then true or false. So now we have 2, so we only do like this. So one by one, let's see the example. Region A, so I need to choose actually 1 point enough. So in this example, they show you 2 points. So you simply choose any 2 points inside this yellow region. So example, they choose 2, 1 and 4, 2. And then the inequality, first inequality that I have is this. Second inequality is this. So what I do, I just substitute. So let's say this one. So x plus y and then add. So x is 2. I substitute 2 plus 1 is y according to this point. And then add, I copy. You look at this inequality. Is that true? So 3 less than equals to add. So answer is true. So I write true here. And then for this one, my y is 1. So 1 is greater than 3 is false. So true, false. Okay, I already built this table. True, false. Okay, next. This example just like same like just now. And then region B. So look at this region B. We simply choose any 1 point enough. Okay, example show you 2 points. You simply choose any 1 point enough. In this example, they choose this 2 points. So this 2 points, example number 1. So just substitute 2 plus 5. So 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 is less equals add. So which is true. And then this one, 5 is y. So 5 greater 3. So this one also true. Next, just continue. Question C. Region C. So region C also the same. Simply choose any point. So for this example, they choose these 2 points. So just substitute like just now. So 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 is less equal add. So this one is false because 9 is bigger, right? So wrong already. And then this one, 7 is greater than 3. So this one is true. Similarly for the D, just choose 1 point. And then after substitute this one, 7 plus 2 less equals to add. So this one is 9. 9 is less equal add. So false. This one, 2. Substitute the 2 inside the y here. So 2 is greater equal 3. This one also false. So how we determine the final answer? So from this table, is found only the point from region B satisfy both. So you need to find both true. Okay, let's say this one true, false. You cannot use it. So this true, this one also true. So region B. Okay, so you must make sure all the inequality is true. If you have 3, must have 3. 3 inequality must have 3 true there. So all must be true. Then this region B is the answer. Meaning that both inequality satisfy region B. So this is first method. How we're going to determine. So this one is example number 2. So look at example 9 here. Based on the diagram, determine the region that satisfy these 2 inequality. So again, do the same thing. So region A, B, C, D. Region A, simply choose one of the point. For this example, they choose 4, 2. If you like, you can choose 2, 2 also, up to you. So let's say this 4, 2, then substitute inside the inequality. You have 2, right? So you have 1, 2. So substitute inside. So substitute inside. So you have 2 and then 3 over 4 and then the x is substitute. Here is 4, and then y is 2. Not y is 2, y is 2 here. So after substitute this one, key in calculator, you're getting 5. So the inequality here is 2 less equal 5. So this one is true. For this one, do the same thing, x plus y, so 4 plus 2, you have 6. 6 greater equal 7 is false, right? Meaning that this region actually is not the answer. And then b, 1, 5, so you simply choose one point, so this point, substitute in, getting this. So you say 5 is less equal, this one you get fraction, so it's better you convert become number or decimal like this, then easier for you to compare. Otherwise you don't know bigger or smaller. So 5 is less equal to, like this. So this one is false. This one, 6 after substitute, 6 greater equal 7, this one also false. And then for this part, meaning that this b also not the answer. And then for 7, so substitute, y is 7. 3 over 4, just copy down. X is 4 plus 2. So this part, key in calculator, you're getting 5. So 7 less equal 5. This one also false. And then for this part, 4, 7. So 4 plus 7. So this one 11. 11 greater equal 7. So this one is true. So all this is true, false, 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 true. So not the answer, must be both is true, then this is the answer. So substitute, after substitute this one you key in, getting add. So 6 is less equal add, so this one is true. This one add plus 6 because of x plus y, so this one is add plus 6, you have 14. So 14 greater equal 7, so this is true. When both is true, meaning that this is the answer. So region D satisfy these two inequality. So region D is the answer. So this is first method, where you build this table to check whether the region satisfy both inequality or not. This is first method. So 6.2b, please do question 1. And then next part, you will learn second method. Okay, how do you determine and shed the region that satisfy the system of linear inequality? So this part just now is you double check whether the point satisfy, whether what you do is previously, previously what you do is you determine the conjecture about the point in the region whether they are satisfied the system of linear equation or not. So this part you learn how to shed the region that satisfy the system. Actually both you have two methods here lah. First method is you substitute the point, build this table, and then you check the region satisfied or not. One by one you check like this. Then you choose the both is true region, true, then that region is your answer that satisfy the region. Okay, and then this part is second method. It will be easier. So this one, my method is like this. I straight away enter the example. Example 10. Shed the region that satisfy each of the following system linear equation. So it will be difficult if you build table like just now. Longer time. So I teach you one shorter method. So how you do is, first, if already have graph, you straight away mark. How we mark it? You see. Let's say look at first one. First inequality is this inequality, right? This line. So positive y is less than. So you simply mark less than. Then second inequality is you identify the line first, then you go to shed make a mark there, x less than 2. So x equals to 2 is this, x less than, meaning that left hand side, go left hand side. So next you just see I got two color here, right? So I got two color arrow here. Where is the region that they meet together? Where is the region? For this one, I see they meet together right here. So this is my answer. This is my answer. And then for this question also the same. Y greater equal negative, so refer to this straight line. And then positive y greater than. Positive y greater than, meaning that going up. Look at up above side. And then next one is y less than 3. So y less than 3 is this straight line, less than, we tag below, tag below. And then you have another one more is y greater equal 0. So y equal to 0 is this one, right? This straight line is y equals to 0. Greater equal above. So where is the part these three arrows meet together? So where is the part these three arrow meet together? You'll notice that this one like this. So this region, these three arrow meet together. When you shade the region, be careful, including this part, but exclude this part. Okay, you must look at these three color where they meet together. Okay, so now, so the step in the textbook a little bit different. They're using alphabet to represent. Up to you if you want to use alphabet to represent, also can. I use arrow like this. Okay, so next example, this one. Draw and shade the region that satisfies the system of linear inequality. So for this one, now you need to draw again. So how to draw? Just now only shade the region. So this example, you need to draw. So how to draw? Recall back one by one. You need to make table like this. Just choose any 2 points that you have. Substitute x and negative y, connect, get one straight line. So convert it, become linear equation first. So first one is 2y equals to x. So make the inequality this become equal, then you can draw the straight line. So simply choose any point, any x coordinate that you like. So example, they choose 4 and negative 4. If you like, you can choose 0 also, up to you. So after substitute, x equals to negative 4. So negative 4y is divided by negative 4. So you have negative 2. Substitute, x equals to 4. Then 4 divided 2, you have 2xy here. So have the point already, negative 4, negative 2. So negative 4, negative 2 here. And then 4 and 2 here. So connect, become this straight line. Remember, write labeling like this. So this one is solid line because of have equal sign here. Okay, first straight line already have, label it. So second straight line, draw again. So x plus y. For this cases is equals to 4. So x plus y equals to 4. Simply choose any point that you like. Example, choose 0 and 4. If you don't want 0 and 4, you can choose negative 2, 4 also. Up to you, as long as you can draw the straight line. So substitute 0. So when x 0, y is 4. When y 0, x also 4. So 4 0, 0 4. 4 0, 0 4. Then connect, this time using dotted line because of don't have equal sign. So dotted line, then you label the linear inequality. And then the last one is x greater equal 0. So x equals 0 is this straight line. I use different color, easier for you to see. So x equals to 0 is this straight line. So this time using solid line because of have equal sign there. So now how to determine the shaded region? So already draw, now we determine shaded region. X greater equal 0. So x equal 0 is this one. Greater equal meaning that going this side. Okay, next one. Look at the second inequality that you have. This one. 2y is this straight line, right? So this straight line, positive y is greater than. So the answer at above. So above the line. Above the line. And then the last one is this one. Last inequality is this one. So this one is represented by this line. So again, positive y is less than. So below, below, below. So notice that this three color arrow is meet together at this region. So this region is your answer. So your exercises for the next one will be 6.2c, question 1c, question 2b, and then CD, question 3AD.